Welcome to Tech That Matters. This genius multi-tool is 20 tools in one and it's only the size of a house key. This wearable smart air purifier blocks 99.9% of bacteria, pollution, smoke and allergens. Nike's Space Hippie collection uses recycled scraps to create a sneaker inspired by life on Mars. This robotic arm loads and unloads wheelchairs from cars to give the disabled the freedom to travel solo. This autonomous boat cleans up plastic pollution from rivers before it enters the ocean. Students in Japan attend virtual graduation using robots during COVID-19 pandemic. This handheld vein weaving system makes blood work procedures efficient and less painful. This smart LED brake light for motorcycle helmets increases riders' visibility on the road. This autonomous bricklaying bot can construct an affordable home in just 3 days. This smart spoon stabilizing handle helps those with hand tremors eat with ease. This tractor towed surf rake removes trash from beaches. This robotic suit lets wheelchair users walk. See you again really soon.